Hi friends, in this video we are making this amazing Spider-Man web shooter without using any springs or magnets. We are completely using 3D printed parts to make this awesome web shooter. While printing, make sure you addition for the following parts. I have given links to all of the STL files in the description box below. I will be using PLA filaments to print all the parts. These are the 3D printed parts. Apart from that, we might need strips of velcro, a piece of thread, a rubber band. Follow these steps to attach rubber band to the main body. This is an optional step. You can directly use red velcro strips. I hope you enjoyed this idea. Thank you for watching.